Greetings and welcome to our demo, showcasing a RAG-based LLM used to determine if IPv6 data packets comply with the IPv6 standard protocol. The diagram you see here illustrates the data flow in our system. We start up at the top of the diagram, where the user starts by sending a sample data packet. At this point, the system queries a vector database to determine the sections of the IPv6 documentation that is relevant to checking the data compliance. The vector database contains chunks of the protocol documentation, which are sent along with the packet to the LLM agent to determine its compliance. The system consists of multiple agents. Each is responsible for determining packet compliance with a specific section of the IPv6 standard. For this demonstration, we have a total of 3 agents. In our diagram, we labeled these agents as Agent A, Agent B, and Agent C. After an agent provides its opinion on the packet's compliance, if the agent determines the packet is non-compliant, the system initiates a debate phase. This phase reviews the sections identified by agents as non-compliant and double-checks the compliance of those sections in the packet. The debate agent is given the section and the reason why the original agent found the packet not in compliance. The debate agents review the reasoning and provide their own opinions regarding those sections. Now that we understand how the system works, we can proceed with the demo. Below, we have 5 test samples of IPv6 packets and their expected compliance, along with the corresponding reasoning. Now, if we run the code, we can select one of the samples. Let's start with the first sample. We expect this sample to be fully compliant. So once it finishes running, we will examine the output. Upon reviewing the output, we can see that it is divided into several sections. Each section has its agent, and as we can see, every section found the packet to be compliant, so the final verdict at the bottom is also compliant. If any agent finds the packet is non-compliant for its section, then the final verdict will be non-compliant. Now, let's test one of the known non-compliant test samples. Let's proceed with the third sample packet. We should see the reasons and whether it was detected correctly. Once a section is found to be non-compliant, it will initiate the debate phase. Here, we can see that it initiates the debate phase. Once the debate is over, we will review the final results and the reasoning. The agents found that the packet was not in compliance. Upon closer examination of the output, we can see that each section identified the packet as non-compliant because the version was set to 4 instead of 6. We can also see that in the debate phase, which confirms the previous assessment. Because every section was found non-compliant, we can see that the final verdict is also non-compliant. Thank you for watching our demo, and see you in the next demo.